everyone, welcome to M2K Tech Share. Today's topic is AS400 connection steps and getting access into the system. IBM is providing a free software from PUB400.com. So just type in the Google for PUB400 and select that to get into PUB400 web page. Then you can see all the details. It has good information like how we can use it and what are the user groups, etc. Here you need to enter your first name, last name, email address and the user ID. First name and last name you can keep it anonymous. Just type Mickey Mouse in that place, but you should give the legitimate email address because you will get the emails from IBM. And you can choose a user ID whichever you like, and the user ID we are going to use it for the AS400 system access. Now you can get the first email from IBM that contains one validation link, and it seems IBM captures the IP address from our laptop or desktop and link it up with our chosen user ID to make it like a unique login for the AS400 system. Then click on the validation link. Then you can see a pop-up page open and it gives a message like you were successfully validated. Then wait for a few minutes to get the second email, and in the second email you can see your initial password and also some other instructions to download the emulator. To get the access into AS400 system, we need to get the emulator called MoCA5250. Emulator is nothing but hardware or software that enables the computer system to behave like another computer system. Here we need to use this software. So all the softwares doesn't need the emulator. For example, Microsoft Visual Studio doesn't need the emulator. We can just directly work on the Windows or the Linux operating system. So to get the MoCA5250, we can click on the link from our email, or we can Google it, and Mocasoft TN5250 web page. You can just scroll down and see the download button. Just download it. I have already downloaded, and after your download complete, you can just double click on the software which you downloaded. Then you can see like this. This shows like a 30-day trial, and after that we have to pay $30 per month, but we shouldn't need to do anything. That will just keep working. So just click on continue trial, and it will give us another pop-up which shows the temporary key. This key is the unique key which changes every time. Just give the number whichever was showing up in the top and then click on OK. Then click on file and click on the edit new session. You can see this page. In the name you can provide session 1 or session 2. In the AS400 AP address field you need to provide pub400.com, and you do not need to give anything else. Just click on connect. Now you see the user entry screen. You need to provide your chosen user ID. I have chosen M2K train and the temporary password from your second email. I think I have entered the wrong password one time. That's why it is showing up the screen. Next, it forces us to change the initial password. Enter your initial password, then choose a new password. Enter it 2 times. Use tab button while entering your password. So that it keeps your cursor in the right location. Wow, we got a system access. Next, let us see the advantages and the disadvantages of the PUB400. The first advantage is it is free of cost, and our login is registered with IBM. So it is completely safe, and they will provide 400 MB disk storage and we can have two libraries, but I'm not sure. I have tried to create another library, but it was not allowing me to do that. Earlier, IBM was not providing the login user ID, so anyone can enter with the random number which they have chosen. For example, if I chose a user 9999 and enter some code, and after some time, if somebody chose the same number like user 9999, they can see all my code and they can change or delete whatever they like. So that is the major risk before, but we are safe now, and our very own user ID approved by IBM. So, so our programs or our code is safe. Disadvantages are it may have some system availability issues sometimes, so we have to be patient and to get the AS400 system, and there is no backup and no customer service. If we need some help, we have to struggle ourselves and we have to figure it out. Students can do the academic projects on their own pace, and they can do on their own and practice, and based on this they can get employment as well, and they can take advantage of this great software platform. So finally, please like, share and subscribe. Let us meet in the next video.